So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this Moen faucet. So it is the Renzo, and that's the model number there. We're going to leave all of this in the box. So the installation instructions, the warranty card, plus this little sticker that you can put on your new cabinet once the remodel is complete. Spell check. And then also you've got this O-ring. If the homeowner decides to eliminate that base plate, that O-ring is going to go in on the single hole faucet. Did leave you the tool. Most plumbers have this because we set a lot of Moen faucets, but that will go ahead and take care of uninstallation. So nice faucet. We've tested it out. We did go ahead and blow a lot of water through these lines before we hooked this faucet up. Man, at least 2 gallons through each line. It was running pretty clear, a little bit of debris, but I think you're going to be okay with this faucet. It's pretty fine sediment. Down here, we did replace 3 of their shutoff valves. So those are bluefin, quarter turn, they're iron pipe, so 1/2 inch IPS, quarter turn ball valves. So quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And so it's a hard stop stainless steel ball. Those guys shut off. Typically, there's no problems with these whatsoever. I do ask that you monitor this area for any kind of weeping, dripping, leaking, spraying, anything water related. Let me know. Come back out, take care of it right away. Mounting system, same as Moen has always been. So we can get a picture up in there without flipping the camera over. You can see that's standard for Moen. Got the protector on there. That little black portion on the bottom where the hose comes through, that's to protect the braided line from rubbing up against the sharp brass edge. So make sure that gets reinstalled. You can see we used both of the brackets. That's a support plate and then another bracket below it, mounting that, and then down here, of course, the sleeve for the hose, quick connect system for the faucet sprayer, and then the adjustable weight. A lot of them clamp on right there. This one is free floating, and it's free. It's in a good spot because it's when you activate it, it's not hitting. When you pull it up, it's not hitting the angle stops. So that's good. So you can pull it out. You can pull this thing. Look at how far out this is. This guy's all the way out here. You could wash your dog out here. So anyways, that's in good shape. Everything else looks good outside of that. This installation is done.